The 2024 Cadillac XT4 offers a remote start feature for convenient cabin preconditioning. Remote start is standard on premium luxury and sport trims, optional on the luxury trim. This video will guide you through using the key fob and customizing settings. Ensure your XT4 is locked and the key fob is within range, ideally 100 to 200 feet, with a maximum of 1 mile. Press the lock button on the key fob once. Immediately press and hold the remote start button, which has a circular arrow icon, for about 4 seconds. The turn signals will flash twice, and the engine will start. The vehicle will run for a default of 10 minutes. To extend the runtime up to 20 minutes total, repeat the press and hold on the remote start button before the initial 10-minute timer expires. To stop the engine remotely, simply press the remote start button again. To customize remote start settings, access the XT4's touchscreen. Navigate to Vehicle, then Remote Start. Here you can adjust the runtime from 5 to 20 minutes and set climate control preferences, like auto-setting the temperature. Pair your XT4 with the My Cadillac app version 4.2 or later to enable smartphone control of remote start features. The app duplicates key fob functions while adding advanced features like scheduling remote starts and geofencing for automatic activation based on location. Through the app, you can remotely lock or unlock doors, start the engine, and monitor your vehicle's GPS location for enhanced security and convenience. The remote start system includes important safety features to protect your vehicle and ensure safe operation. It will automatically shut off if critical issues are detected, such as low oil pressure, preventing potential engine damage. Additionally, the system won't activate if the engine is already running or if the fuel tank is below 1/4 full, avoiding unnecessary risks. There are also operational limitations. The system only functions within a 1-mile range of the vehicle and requires the key fob to remain outside the car. If remote start fails on your 2024 Cadillac XT4, start by checking the key fob battery. The XT4 uses a CR2032 battery that may need replacement if the remote start stops working. Next, ensure you're within the effective range. Remote start works up to 1 mile, but performs best at 100 to 200 feet from the vehicle. Verify the vehicle is in a safe state for remote start. The hood must be closed, the brake pedal not pressed, fuel level above 1/4, and the engine should not already be running. Finally, use the My Cadillac app for diagnostics. The app provides step-by-step troubleshooting guides and can send alerts if remote start fails due to engine or other issues. Smartphone app usage for remote start is rapidly increasing. By 2025, 65% of Cadillac owners use the My Cadillac app for this feature, up from just 45% in 2023. This growth is driven by the convenience of smartphone control and integration with smart home devices like Amazon Alexa or Google Home. Looking ahead, future Cadillac models may feature AI-driven predictive starting that automatically begins based on your calendar apps and typical commute times. This technology will also integrate seamlessly with autonomous driving features, creating a more connected and intelligent driving experience. With Cadillac's push toward electric vehicles, remote start technology will adapt to preconditioned batteries in EVs. This means warming or cooling the battery pack before you drive, which helps reduce range anxiety and improves overall efficiency. Remember to prioritize security settings within the My Cadillac app. Enable two-factor authentication and keep your app updated to protect against potential security vulnerabilities as remote start technology becomes more connected.